traders, this is your boy MPL speaking here. Well, today I'm gonna go through the breakdown for the week. I don't waste my time, guys. I love the charts. Even on weekends, I'll do back testing and practice and improve my strategy. But yeah, this is an opportunity that we can do the weekly breakdowns, trade ideas for the week. I'll try my best to keep this video short. Most of my videos are like 1 hour, but anyways, I'll try my best to keep it short, guys. Alright, let's start with the DXY, the dollar, where the dollar is likely to go next week and all that. So let's start with the weekly. Okay, as you can see, price shut down and price is rejecting, and the price closed with a bearish close. So you can see we did test the weekly support, and you can see price rejecting it closely, but I don't know. We'll just have to wait 6 o'clock Sunday New York local time for more feedback. But I did anticipate that we are likely to test this gap here, this weekly fair value gap. Please note it on your charts. The purple line that I'm having right now is my monthly key support. I just marked it everywhere. You can do this and make your lines and just note the key supporting areas, the monthly support. So yeah, keep that in mind. Let's go to the weekly. So the yellow lines are my weekly support, and this is my weekly resistance. I just note the key resistance and the key support on my weekly or monthly time frame, and that's it. So I did note that down, like I am expecting price to draw to this fair value gap. So let's go to the daily quickly. So price, as you know, we do, the market structure right now, we are bullish. Do we know high, low, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and we just form a higher, low. This is the weekly bearish order block. It's just noted out this down close candle. That's the weekly bearish order block. As you can see, our price reacted here and it went down. So NFP, I did predict a bullish dollar as we went up. So let's go on the 4 hour. So guys, as you can notice that I actually wanted price to test this. Look how price left relative equal lows on the dollar. So I am not really going to focus much on the dollar until we take this sell side liquidity, this sell stop. There is money sitting right here, guys. There is liquidity below here. So this move, we might expect a reversal here, guys. So as we are drawn above the premium area 50% and premium 38, so keep that in mind. We might do a reversal here. So I do see an implied fair value gap. I don't know this overlap on this other block here. So we might actually come all the way there. I don't know. We'll see. Well, the only way we can confirm that the dollar might be bullish is that we break this whole bearish order block here and go test the weekly. Go test the weekly resistance, and I'll use this order block as support, and then we can continue to go for the buy side liquidity, which is at 105.4931. I also noted that on my chart, but for now I want this loss to be taken out and for price to draw to this weekly fair value gap, then we can continue going to the upside. It might happen, or we could see price just go back down because we do have sell stops here. It might happen, guys, but we'll just do what the market gives us. The price could just come here and test this zone, and then we could go up, or test this other block again and we could go down. Or yeah, I need more information on Sunday. That's it for the dollar. Let's go to my pairs. Let's go to US 500. Okay, we always start off the weekly. All right, I see now. Things are looking good. So, all right, next week I am noting that we are going to take out this buy side liquidity on the weekly 4329. So note that that's actually my bias for the week. I want price to take out liquidity here. So until then, we can look for sells when we draw liquidity here, when we take out these buy stops. So keep that. Next week I'll be only looking for buys. So yeah, we go on our daily. Please note this on your chart. We do have sell side liquidity, which is at 4098. Note that the daily fair value gap. We can see how price just respected the daily fair value gap and then it shot up. And this is the daily fair value gap, guys. So as you can see, when we broke through the gap, you can use this gap as your support. So maybe on Monday, Sunday, I don't trade Mondays. You just wait for a retracement. So just do this from this high to this high, somewhere there. Then we'll wait for a retracement back here, 58 or 50%, one of the two. And we can look for buys going to the upside. Please note that we need the drawn liquidity is free. It's 4326. So keep that in mind, guys. That's it for the US 500. Not much I can see, but this is actually quite easy though. That's my setup. I mean, yeah, that's actually what I'm predicting for the week. Not much. If you watch my previous market breakdown videos, like the previous week, we were here. I did note that our drawn liquidity is then. We are seeing the price is drawing to 4326. Yeah, nothing much, guys. So this is really easy. I would go on the 1 hour to look for a trade setup and 5 minutes of free or 1 minute look for entry. But I trade on the 1 hour. I actually come back here. The 4 hour I traded here. Yeah. Okay, that's it for US 500. Let's go to US 100. We always start with the weekly, guys. Alright, let me just delete these lines. Delete them, delete them, delete them, delete them. Just delete them. Yeah, let me just delete them. Delete. So guys, what I noted here, this is my new week opening gap. I will release a video of what is the new week opening gap, or you can go watch my favorite mentor, ICT, the inner circle. He explains what the new week opening gap is, but I'm not gonna do that. We are just here to analyze, guys. I'll keep this sell side noted down and this gap. I don't like clearing these things. Okay, as we can see, we are pushing through the weekly opener. We need to see a reaction reduction in price here. If I don't, then we are likely to draw to this. Yeah, we're likely to draw to 15,275. You see, this is also relative equal highs on the weekly. Let's just quickly check the monthly since we opened the new monthly candle. As you can see on the monthly, we do have a fair value gap, guys, and we do have buy stops on the monthly. So if I see price continue break out of this weekly fair value gap, then I just note on my higher time frame my buy side liquidity is gonna be at 15275. So yeah, but this is the monthly. What goes up must come down. So I want to see a retracement before we can continue going to the downside to the upside. Because now we are waiting. I want to see the new week opening gap. Not the new week opening gap. Sorry, guys. The new week candle. Because keep in mind that. Just note this on your chart, guys. Just note it on your charts. Just note it on your charts like this. Yeah, we do have a fair value gap here, guys. So, and let's measure this gap, guys. You measure this gap using the bodies only, not the wicks. The wicks just do the damage, and you measure it to the 50%. So, just a reversal to price here. Mark this as red and dotted lines, yeah. So I will anticipate reversals to this gap. If it doesn't happen, then if price continues pushing up above the weekly gap, then we can consider using this weekly fair value gap as support. Alright, we are completely bullish, guys. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So if we do, let's say if we have the possibilities of, keep in mind we might actually go fill up this daily gap here, and we might see some reversals, or we could continue going up, but I need more information on Monday, and I'll update you in the group, guys. So for those who are not in the public group, please, the link is down below. Just click the link and join the Telegram public group. I'll be sending out the trade ideas, but I need more information. Okay, let's go on the 4 hour. Oh, right. I traded NFB and you see, now this is what sell side liquidity. Look at all this liquidity resting below. There is money here. Yeah. So retail traders, what they did, put their stop loss here. So I know my drawn liquidity for next week could be sell side, which is at 14,200. The weekly fair value gap. Please note this on your charts. And on the 1 hour, why do I have this sell side here? Yeah, 13,772. We left relative equal lows here. I'll keep that. Maybe these big news events could happen. As you can see, we do have sell side liquidity here, guys. So I'll keep that in mind. CPI is gonna be on the 13th of June, so we could see the market one weekend are going to take out this sell side liquidity. But you never know, guys. So let's just trade what the market is giving us in the meantime. And because on the daily, note this on your daily. Let me just okay. Let me just take out this weekly gap since it doesn't do anything much. Then I'll notice daily. Yeah. Okay, let's call this the D. D means daily fair value gap. So when the market opens, we'll see how price reacts. If there's a rejection, then we could see price drawing to the previous new week opening gap. And then if we see price actually continue to break down, then we can target the midpoint of this candle, which is at 14.56. But keep in mind also the opening candle, it's also an order block, so we could just retest here and then continue to the upside. And you know our drawn liquidity is going to be 15,275. So I'll need more information if we are going to go to the upside. So that's it for Nasdaq, USD. Oh my god, I love USD. Okay, usually. Alright, I know USD is very clear. Oh my god. You know what? Next week I'm just gonna trade USD. So if you watch my other previous breakdowns for my setups, we did anticipate for price that the drawn liquidity will be this gap here, this relative equalize on the 4 hours on the daily. This is the weekly fair value gap. Price came, tested, and shot up. Yep. So price took out sell stops here. Low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low, and then high. So break of market structure shift, guys. This is what happens. So we might actually expect a reversal back here. So let's go to the 4 hour. Yep. Yep. Here on this 4 hour fair value gap here, and then price took our sell stops and then it shot up. Then yeah, we went. I think I closed my positions here. I only cared. That is way too much money. You know, I don't need the market to give me too much money. You know that. But yeah, let me just cancel this. Ooh, this must be on my lower time frame. No need. We're entering the new week. Okay, guys. Please note this on your chart. This is buy side liquidity or buy stops. So on this 4 hour candle, please note it on your chart. Fair value gap 4 hour. So we want to see price reacting there. If we see rejection here, we go on the 50-minute or 1 hour to see how price is also reacting on those time frames. And if you see the, I don't know, whichever concept you trade for ICT, which is breaker blocks or drawn, or this simple model of we take out buy side and then we wait for a reaction, and if we see a market structure shift, a short-term low, we always go to a 50-minute and then 5-minute and then 3 minutes. So I'm not really going to dive that into this video here. I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna trade for. So if the price reacts, I might actually look for sales going back here to this somewhere here. I might actually look for a setup going back to the 50% or 68%, somewhere here. But like I said, I only need, how many pips is this? Oh, if I actually sell from here, it will give me 400 pips. Basically, I only need like 100 pips for the weekend and I'm done. Made most of my money. But yeah, for swing traders, this is actually a good opportunity. Yeah, but I'm not buying the USD much, so please guys, notice on your charts. I'm done with USD. German 40. Yeah, Oh, I don't really trade this pair, but I'll keep an eye. As you can see, we took down sell side liquidity and the market just shut up. Alright guys, the next opening candle for the weekly of Germany. Let's measure this. But for those who knows the consequence of Roachman, we measure this week from the low to the high, 50%, 50% here, 50%, make this red. Let's make it green. Let's make it green, let's make it green, yeah, let's make it green at once. So I'm expecting a reversal back to this sequence arrangement of the weekly week. So if we move to our candle, as you can see, if we actually, so keep in mind guys, we did take out sell side liquidity. If we break this, this high, then we call that market structure shift. Short term might be taken out and we expect a reversal back here. So this is also bad. So guys, always trade on a time frame, it tells a bigger picture. And keep in mind, we also have a fair value gap here. Note this on your chart guys, please. You can go check out on your chart and just note it. You think I'm wrong? I don't care. We are here to learn. Every day is a learning process for me. We are never right in the market, guys. We are never right. Those who tell me they're right, that means their strategy works. 100% they are millionaires, but that's not the case. There is no strategy that is 100%. If there was, everyone would be millionaires. Losses is inevitable. But that's it. Alright, let's go to the fall. So as you can see, the drawn liquidity is here. And we do have a fair value gap on the fall. So in this daily fair value gap, so I'll just note this down. So I don't want to confuse you guys. Daily fair value gap. I'll just make this 16. Yeah, so we'll see. We have to see how price reacts here, then we can go on a lower time frame and find a setup. Back here, let me see if on this low to this high. Yeah, back to this 50%, which also has a fair value gap. So a retracement back here is likely possible. But yeah, that's actually what I'll be looking for the week. So I'll also be trading German 30 or 40 during the week. If you want to find out my ideas and my setups I'm taking, please click the link down below. Join the Telegram public group. I'll be sending it out there. Yeah, that's it for German 40 guys. Not much here. Let's go to gold. I love gold. Yes, gold, come back. I've been noting. If you guys watch my previous video, I kept on telling that the draw on liquidity is at 1907. Okay, let's go to the weekly time. I kept telling guys that this was a trap. The market is trying to do this. It's trying to do this imbalance here. If you measure this imbalance from this low to this, you get the midpoint. You get the midpoint, 50%, but below the 50% is 61.8, which is discount. A right area to buy. And if you note, this is also my monthly support. I'll just make this color now. Yeah, this is my monthly support. It's gonna draw to this midpoint of this gap, guys. How would I know that? We measure this low. You see, 50%, 61% discount. This is where we buy gold. And if we go now daily time frame, this is actually the drawn liquidity here, 1951. And yeah, 1907, that's actually the drawn liquidity. Not much I can say about gold, but as you can see, we did leave relative equal highs, but we actually broke out here. So we have to see some reaction back here. Yeah, back here somewhere. We'll see how price is reacting here. Yeah, we'll see how price is reacting here. If we break down, well, then we can use this zone and then we continue selling. Something like that. Some medication block happens here. We might retrace here and go down. So that's my drawn liquidity. Not much. That's it for gold. Yeah, I think this is the pace I'm really gonna be focusing on this week. So I'm not gonna dive much on silver, GDP. Yeah, this I can't trade this. Yeah. And how the USD is reacting. We are bullish on all the USD. So below, yeah, 50%, 61% is where I'll be looking for buys. For buys to continue going to the upside. Notice on your chart, guys. The buy side liquidity is 0.66760. This might yes, my draw for next week. So I must see a reversal, then I'll be looking for buys. It's the same of Euro USD also. Yes, because we took our sell side liquidity here and then broke, market structure shift, retraced it and we broke out again. The market is doing a reversal back at the 50% and below the 50% 61 discount area is where we buy, guys. Discount, guys, safer than that. You can buy at a premium. Whoever does that is losing money. So keep note that the drawn liquidity on euro is 1.08502 because we have buy stops here and buy stops here. And if we actually retrace here, we go on a lower time frame for look for an entry. But for a swing trader, if price actually reach this gap, I would actually buy here. My stops are just gonna be here, which is I'm risking 43%, and then I'll target TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Yeah, I'm done for swing traders. But if you're intraday or a scalper, then you have to go on the 50-minute and 5-minute time frame. So that's it. Hope you found this video insightful. Until again, yeah, so this is a swing trade scalp. So next week, if you're a swing trader, this is actually, how many pips is this? Yeah, 151 pips. Good trade. You're only risking 46%. So this whole week is a whole breakdown of Euro USD. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for the breakdown, guys. I'm not going to mention much about it. Yeah, I'll be releasing a video for those who don't know how to scalp. Yeah, scalping, you can get some pips, even using the silver bullet, so you can. So yeah, that's it for the video breakdown, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, please do subscribe so you can get notified when I upload a video. Until then, be safe.